Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Igbanogene. In this video, I'm going to show you this applet I designed using the Geogebra Classic software. Alright, let me just demonstrate the applet for you. So this side is the 3D view of the applet, while on this side is the 2D view. Alright, so what this applet is just doing is just to give us a simple shape of the pyramid, and you can play around with the pyramid depending on what you want in your classroom, depending on what you want to show your student. Okay, let me start. For example, you can see on this 2D plane I have my triangle shape, and at the middle you can see this shape dividing the triangle into these three lines here. So what I have here is this. So if I want to change the size of the polygon, now this is three-sided polygon, I will use this one. You can see this is 4 side, this is 5. I can also do the same on this side. This is 4, this is 5. Then this up and down here is simply telling me that there are two polygons here. One is top and one is bottom. If I slide this one, just watch. If I slide this up, you see the polygon will move upward. So that is this, you can see it. Then if I slide this, the polygon will move downward and you see nothing is on the base. So that is why this 2D plane disappeared. If I return back, you see it's now on the base of the 2D view. That's why it appears like this. Alright, let's put it, let's say 2 minus 2 here. Okay. So if I take this to 0, you can see it appears back. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's leave it something like this. Alright, so that is that. If I move this altitude label here, it will pull this point up, forming a pyramid. So if I pull this one, you can see a pyramid has been formed. So you can click on the screen and drag. You can view the pyramid the way you want it. You can see if you pull this, the bottom pyramid will be dragged also. Let me leave it as 3.5 also. Alright, you can see it. That is that. Then you can join the two pyramid by moving this. So if I move this backward, you see it's touching the ground now. If I move this backward, see both of them are touching, you can see a nice shape has been formed. So that is that. So this is all about this applet. I just designed it just to play around with it, to see different kind of pyramid, the way it's being formed. Alright, if you want to rotate it, you can come to this place. You can see this start and rotate. So you can make it slow, you can make it rotate slowly. You can see it. Let me put it at number 2. You can do other play around you want. You can be moving this point gently with your mouse, with your keyboard. You can see the way I'm moving it. Moving it gently. You can move it up if you like. You see, just like that. You can stop it. So that is it. If you want to view it in another plane, you can right click on this screen of the 3D. You can see 3D graphics. Just tap on it, click on it. You will see y-axis is vertical. Just click on y-axis is vertical. So we have changed, and you close it here. Okay, so we have changed the position of the pyramid now. Let me return everything back to 0. Let's return back to 0. Let me leave it in 4-sided shape. Alright, let's return this back to 0. Okay, let's go to 0. Let's go to 0. So you can see you can view it in this other direction. So if I pull this up, okay, let me pull this altitude. See the way it purge backward. So I pull this also to 2.5. See the way it's formed and roll it like this. So this is actually a shape of a diamond. You can see it like this. But if you don't want it on that view, you can right click 3D, click on the Y axis is vertical to turn back to the way you want it. So that is that. So this is all I have for you on this applet I designed. It's an applet you can just play around your view pyramid, playing around with it and just like that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do have a nice day.